Hey there, this is Jay Vertanen with a live demo for my Intelligent Systems Term project, where the program takes this heat map that I've downloaded off of Google Images here and is going to try to draw a route from this back left corner right here to this upper right room right here based on the danger, get the calculated danger of walking through any of these red areas provided by this heat map right here. So we're going to go into the folder here, and I've edited this a little bit in MS Paint to draw these walls black and to scale this image up to 4,000 by 4,000 pixels. So that's going to be a pretty high resolution, so we can get a little bit higher resolution than what we got in the example in the slideshow. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to run that while I talk about how this all works. So you can see right there that it spits out that there's going to be 160,000 grid squares. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to take the original image, divide it into 10 pixel by 10 pixel little squares, and based on how many of those 100 pixels in that square are red, it's going to assign that a danger value. And if more than 10% of those squares in there are if more than 10% of the pixels in there are black, it's going to say that that's a no-go zone. That's not a traversable area. And then it's going to walk, and then it's also going to do a little bit of an overflow kind of thing where the nearby squares will also get some of the danger. So you can't have one grid square that has a value of 100 and then the next square has a value of 0. So it's going to leak over a little bit, so you get a little bit more of a gradient rather than it just highlighting the parts that have red in them. And then the program is going to walk from the beginning to the end while trying to pick which one of its options is going to have the lowest danger value. And the program just finished running here, and you can see that it spit out the list of grid coordinates that it walked through. So we're just going to go in here. Let's open this original one up right here, and we're going to look at that alongside what the computer saw. So you can see, well, that's going to do that, I guess. So you can see these red walls right here. It's not going to walk through these, and you can see kind of this gray and this lighter gray. These are kind of going to represent these heavier danger areas. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up what the computer picked as its route. And you can see that it kind of has this bad habit of it doesn't necessarily understand walking backwards. So rather than going all the way around here and avoiding this whole mess altogether, it's gonna get right in there, and it's always gonna walk towards the end goal, which kind of makes it more of like a greedy best first rather than an A star, which is what you want. So it's always gonna try to make a beeline for the destination, and then it kind of takes the danger value into account once it hits one of those rougher areas. But there's a live demo of the program running, and that's pretty much it for that. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, I guess.